Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King in Blue Lock Rivals. The King role is all about absolute dominance on the field, leading your team to victory. Your primary objective is to score goals and control the flow of the game. You need to be a central figure, making impactful plays and utilizing your character's unique abilities to their fullest potential. This role demands both skill and strategic thinking to truly shine. Effective positioning is crucial for a king. Aim to stay in the central attacking third, allowing you to contribute to both offensive pushes and defensive recoveries. Always anticipate where the ball will go and where opponents are moving. Winning one-on-one duels is vital. Use your character's dribbling and tackling stats to your advantage, turning defensive wins into immediate scoring opportunities for your team. Your character's special skills are your most potent weapons. Learn their timing and activate them during critical moments, like a clear shot on goal or a crucial defensive stop. Remember, Blue Lock Rivals is a team game. Synergize your skills with your teammates' abilities to create devastating combinations and open up scoring lanes. Effective communication is key to executing these complex plays successfully. To truly excel as a king, cultivate an aggressive, goal-oriented mindset. Every action should contribute to scoring or gaining a decisive advantage. After each match, take time to review your performance. Identify what worked well and where you can improve. Consistent practice, focusing on both individual skill refinement and strategic understanding, is the path to becoming an unstoppable force on the Blue Lock Rivals field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.